Hello. Today we're going to talk about how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers fast in 2021. At the time of filming this video, I started with 0 subscribers, and within just over a month, I'm at over 300. And I want to talk about the process, what I found to be the most successful way to do that. And there's really kind of two steps. Number one, that you hear all the time is do keyword research, use something like TubeBuddy to go ahead and find the right keywords. And I think that's important, but I think there's a faster way to jumpstart the process. And I'm going to dive into that right now. I started out doing a case study. I opened up a TikTok account. I had 0 views, 0 followers on TikTok, and then the same with YouTube. And what I want to show you is what can happen if you spend some time sending your TikTok traffic over to YouTube. If you go right here, right now, I'll go to my profile, and in just a few months' time total, now at the filming of this video, you'll see that I have over 170,000 followers and over 7 million views on my videos. So it works great. And what I do is I will film a video, and typically I'll film what's called a teaser video. TikTok is 1-minute videos or less. So I'll say, hey, if you want to learn X, Y, and Z, you need to do steps 1, 2, and 3. For a detailed way to do that, click the link in my bio, which is not here on the desktop, it's on mobile, or I created a short URL that'll take them directly to my YouTube channel for a longer explanation. And by doing that, I've been able to send quite a bit of traffic. And this is for a channel that's really pretty new and not a lot of views from YouTube yet. It's just starting to get there. But as you can tell, I'm at just over 300 subscribers, and I think this is a great way for you to start building your YouTube channel, because when YouTube started, it was all about organic growth, right? They showed your video to all kinds of people, tested it, and they still do that to a point, but they want to see that you're going to be in it for the long haul. TikTok, on the other hand, within a couple weeks of posting a video every single day, you can get noticed and start building a following. So I recommend you go and create a TikTok account. And if you're not sure how to do that, head to the link right here in the description, and I offer a free training at 60secondleads.com, and I take you step by step how to set up the TikTok account the right way, and then how to get those short URLs that you'll send over to your YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, I will see you in a future video soon. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.